Hello, PokeTubers, and welcome back to Hail Blizzard opening. Let's see what we got in this pack. Really need to Groudon EX full art. Please, please, please. So we have Vanillish, Focus. Ooh, I see something. Vanillish, please be Groudon. Please be Groudon. Wigglytuff, please be Groudon. Pawniard. Oh, wow. And a Weavile Regigigas EX full art. I have the English version back there. I'm only 3 cards away from the complete set, including the Groudon EX full art, which I really wanted. So I guess I'm not getting it in this box, but this is really awesome too. Oh, look at that. Wow. I'm saying a lot. Why am I saying Hang on a second, guys. I'm back, and which one looks... This one looks darker. The Japanese one. Seeing which one looks better. They're both insanely... This one has the rainbow up and down, but this one doesn't have the rainbow up and down. They're both early epic. I don't know. They're both the same in different languages. Thank you all for watching. Epic poll. Make sure to stay tuned for the next part. I only opened up one in this part just because I only wanted to open up one. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next part. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.